Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing the Job Master Data Template under the Employee Work Information section. We'll begin with the Instructions sheet. Here first we have Tab section, which provides an overview of all the templates included in this section. Next, we have the Definitions tab, which explains each template in more detail to help you better understand the purpose and structure of the data. Following that, we cover the Prerequisites. These outline the necessary requirements before entering data into the sheet. Then we move on to the template instructions. It's important that you read these carefully before you start filling out the data template. After that, please refer to the data entry instructions, which provide step-by-step guidance for accurately completing the template. Next, we have the Trigger section, which comes into play after filling out the worksheet. This section is used to validate the entries by highlighting any missing data or incorrectly formatted information. For a more detailed explanation, please refer to the Data Template Overview video. Now let's move on to the Job Template sheet and see how to add job-related data in each column. Organization. In this column, enter the name of the organization for which the jobs are being added. If you are working with multiple organizations, and the Job Master data is maintained separately for each, then provide the data organization-wise. Job code. Enter a unique code for each job. This helps in uniquely identifying a job within the system. This field is optional. If left blank, the system will auto-generate code during data import. Job name. We have provided a default list of jobs under the default master data worksheet. You can refer to this list for job names. If a required job name is not available, then add the job name manually in this sheet. The job name is required to configure the position master in the system. If the organization has not maintained job master data, provide a standard job name to use for further configurations. Start date. The start date is when the job officially becomes part of the organization. If the exact start date is unavailable, use a default start date that is less than or equal to the start date of the first employee assigned to this job. This is how you can add the data in the Job Master Data Template. That concludes today's session. Thank you for attending,